Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. Yet another great day. I think it's the third day now. I'm down around 995 for the day. And another red day makes it 3 in a row. So Monday was a green day. Tuesday, Wednesday, and today Thursday, 3 red days in a row. Hopefully it doesn't continues. Maybe tomorrow I'll be looking to trade lesser and maybe just one green trade and walk away. Ideally. So at least I can break this red days trend. So first thing, PBTS, I hopped into this pretty late, as you can see. It was around 10:25. This was my last trade. Nice move in the open. However, I wasn't too big on it. I was at AHPI today. That was my main watch, and I caught two knives. If I'm not wrong. So for PBTS, I added here for it to break this ascending triangle, which it did. Let me see the price is. I think I got around 209, and there was this pop to 212, but I did not sell it. However, it seems like a fast breakout, and basically I got stop out here below the V up and this triangle. So I decided to try it again here. Seems like it's holding, but I guess it's another bull trap. So this is more of a lottery buy. If it flies, it flies, but if it not, it's going down. So I played pretty tight. I stopped out here when this area, I don't know, around the 50 EMA, and when it's trying to cross the VO, I was quite bullish on it, but this was a very risky buy. So, however, what I could done better is maybe scale in smaller. I scaled in the same position at this area. Hindsight overall, this was still a decent buy. I mean, there's a ascending top, but it broke here. So, however, that's a topping tail. But the second time, usually, I mean, basically, it should go if there's enough volume and I don't know follow through. But seems like there isn't follow through. Stop out here. Hindsight, I still think it's okay. Maybe I could let it play to the 50 EMA, but however, the knife would be pretty huge if it happens. So I'm okay with that and okay with these two. Just that unfortunately, these two losses I'm okay with it. ACY near the open around 10, I think. Yeah, around 10. So I got in here and this time around I learned from it. To not be greedy. So this was 30 cents. So one pop here, got fit around here and sold the other pop here. And pretty good move from AC. Never overstay my welcome. Seems like that was, oh yeah, it went up here again, but I wasn't looking at it already. PBTS was my last trade, which is around 10:30. Yeah, so this went up without me. Seems like a pre-lunch run. OCX, only one trade or two trade. Added here for you to wedge. Decide to risk off the view up, and that's why I got stop out here. Decide to add here again, same thing. Maybe second time it could potentially go up. Back then the 5 minutes still looks pretty nice. Seems like the market overall generally isn't that nice. This was the leading apple, so at least it's still something, but overall it's still more of a downtrend. AC was decent, looks like an uptrend. However, the spread is pretty hard to play. OCX downtrend, so hindsight, I guess it's still okay. These two trade could be avoided. Doesn't look that high quality, but if this is more of a R&R kind of play. Maybe raise off 10-20 cents, and I could see a run to maybe around 540, 530. It just didn't happen today. And then HPI absolutely got destroyed today. So it was running up the pre-market. It's more of a nice batch. I was thinking it could pop in the open. So I added here for the pop. But guess what? It went up around 40 cents. Yeah, I mean, ran out 50 cents, but I did not take it. I guess For AHPI, greed got the best of me. To play it safe, I should have scaled out half here. Maybe. I didn't. And I decided to raise it off the previous day high, which is here. So when it came down, I sold out here. And when it came down so badly, I added here for the to catch the flash. So I was thinking it could bounce from the 50 EMA, which it did. Came up, crossed this previous day high. So I was thinking this could be the reversal and up in the hot. So I did not scale out half here. Despite this is pretty nice 50 cent move. Man, greed got the best of me. I did not scale out. So lesson learned. These are two trades that hindsight I could have scaled out, but greed got the best of me. Did not scale out, have to sell after a knife. Did not sell out, and I have to sell after a knife. So yeah, then it looks really really disgusting. Two bad trades here. Then last trade around here, I was just holding here. I was thinking it could have a small pop, and pretty lucky I did. So got in here, and as it was going this area, I sold out here, and avoided the knife. So I was expecting it to maybe cross this area near the VWAP to trap more bulls, but it didn't. So got out here and immediately it flashes down and continue to flash. So yeah, hindsight, I'm down 995 today, and PBTS I'm okay with the loss. It just has no follow through, and then it's nice because this is pretty okay. AC was nice. OCX, this was also okay. All these are great trades, but I guess my losses today is from AHPI. So in hindsight, I'm down 995, but I'm actually feeling pretty okay. This is totally on me, I guess, and it's just greedy. On days where the market are running like crazy, this I did not sell this for this move. Usually, if this happens, it will go up more and then a fake out, but not today. No follow through. Second time, adding here this oversell, and it has the strength to triple bottom here and come back here again. Usually would have a nicer move. However, hindsight, I should just play it safe and scale up. I mean, winning lesser is better than not winning at all. In this case, I lost. So it's pretty hard to adjust to the market. Right? Sometimes when the market is hot, this will pay off, this will pay off. But when the market is cold like this, and when there's no follow through, especially if AHPI decide to do this, I'm caught in the wrong side, which gave me like about $1,000 loss today. So hindsight, maybe I should start scaling out half here. So even if it comes down, I'm just break even. Same thing for here. I wouldn't be down this much if I choose to scale out here. So lesson for the day is always scale out, especially like August isn't that hot yet. And it will be nice move. Wasn't in it. FBLC nice reversal. If I'm not wrong, it's a red green move. Oh, even crossed the pre-market high. Surprised it didn't went higher. Thankful I didn't hop in there. If not, yeah. BTBT seems like nothing much. FIGC hold. Yeah, seems like this is how the market is. And my swings aren't doing that well today, but overall it's alright. Down about 1,000, but this is my own mistake. So just gotta remind myself to constantly scale up. And even if the market is good and it went without me, then so be it. It's better to win than lose. And this is the part I'm struggling with. So I'll go through it again. It's like I was thinking this 40-cent move, if I sell out here and it flash up $1, then I might be buying here again and get a worse position and end up losing more. But in this case, this fake out, yeah, is hindsight is always easy to see, but I guess I just have to accept this loss. And I didn't even sell it at the worst place possible. Some of them are okay. I even caught a small fake out here to profit around 40 cents. But this part hurts. Probably should have scaled out half. I mean that's probably. So overall I can live with today's trade. So these are the days that I'm okay losing. And it's Friday tomorrow, so yeah, like I said, I'll probably be looking to play in one green trade and then just walk off for the rest of the day. So at least I could end it green. I wouldn't and yeah, I wouldn't let this loss get in my mind. If not, I'll be trying to recoup all the loss, especially past 3 days. I've been losing quite a bit. Hopefully, it's to spread out my red days and to reduce my red day sizes. So that's all for today's daily recap. Hopefully, you guys can learn something from this. To me, the best way to learn about trading is to from someone's red days, and in this case, it's free on the internet where you can just study. So yeah, it would be nice to go through your own trades you took that day too, like why you took it, what, how did the chart look like back then, and how did it look like now. So yeah, alright, that's all for today's day recap. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, trade safe, peace.